नमस्कार दोस्तों, स्वागत है आप सभी का हमारे इस पॉडकास्ट में जिसका नाम है आज ट्रेडर हब। और इस पॉडकास्ट में हम लोग थोड़ा टेक्निकल चीज़ें जानने वाले हैं हमारे फाइनेंशियल फ्रीडम मेंटर किरण जी से। किरण जी हमेशा हमें फाइनेंस के बारे में, स्टॉक मार्केट के बारे में नॉलेज देते रहते हैं। आज हम लोग नॉलेज लेने वाले हैं डोजी कैंडल स्टिक के बारे में। तो चलिए शुरू करते हैं। नमस्कार दोस्तों, वेलकम बैक। एक बार फिर से आपका स्वागत है हमारे आज ट्रेडर हब में। और यहाँ पे किरण जी हमें हमारे साथ हमारे सामने डिकोड करने वाले हैं डोजी कैंडल स्टिक को। किरण जी, स्वागत है आपका।
Thank you, Tejas, for again one more session, exciting session, where we are going to talk about Doji, which is I call it the candle that whispers the market secrets. So this is what I call Doji. So let us begin and let us go ahead and discuss about Doji today.
यस, तो डोजी एक बहुत ही फेमस कैंडल स्टिक है और गुजराती लोग तो बोलते हैं डोजी बहुत ही मनमोजी है। और इसी वजह से आज हम लोग सबसे पहले कोई कैंडल स्टिक डिस्कस कर रहे हैं, तो डोजी को लेके हम लोग डिस्कशन करने वाले हैं। तो सबसे पहले तो हमें ये बताइए, कुछ बिगिनर जो हमारे व्यूवर्स हैं उनके लिए डोजी कैंडल स्टिक है क्या, एंड व्हाई इट इज सो फेमस अमंग द ट्रेडर्स।
Yes. So, normally अपने ट्रेडिंग वर्ल्ड में और जो भी चार्ट को देखते हैं एंड ऑल दैट, तो वो हमेशा ये सोचते हैं ये कौन सा कैंडल है जिसमें कुछ कलर नहीं है, कुछ होता नहीं है, एक प्लस सिंबल के जैसा होता है वो। एंड दिस इज द नॉर्मल क्वेश्चन। सो द आंसर इज यू जस्ट मेट दैट गोल्ड डोजी कैंडलस्टिक। नाउ डोजी क्या होता है is a special type of a price information, okay, which indicates that there is indecisiveness in the market. It forms a doji when the open and the close price is at the same level. So the candle which is formed in such situation, it resembles अपना जो mathematics में जो plus symbol होता है, that symbol का it will be there, or it will be in a form of a T shape, either a T in standing upwards or the inverted T. So these are this is how doji is, what doji is. And unlike your other strong bullish and bearish candles, doji reflects hesitation where neither the buyers nor the sellers are in control. Now मैं ये पहले भी आपको बता चुका हूँ, हर एक कैंडल स्टिक इज लाइक अ बॉक्सिंग मैच. Okay, and when in a boxing match, if the buyers win, it will form a big green candle, and if sellers win, it forms a big red candle. But where there is no clear winner, either the buyer or the seller, it forms is something called as a doji. It means that the war between the buyers and sellers were very intense, but neither side secured any victory. So the market normally, a doji signifies that the market is in an equilibrium and it is waiting for somebody to take control, either the buyers or the sellers to take control. That is what it means.
सर, आपने डोजी कैंडल स्टिक एक्सप्लेन तो की है, लेकिन वो अभी देखिए आपने जिसे बताया था कि जो भी पैटर्न तैयार होता है या फिर जो भी कैंडल स्टिक तैयार होती है उसके पीछे ह्यूमन साइकोलॉजी तो ये होती है, रिस्पॉन्सिबल होती है। और ह्यूमन साइकोलॉजी इज वेरी मच प्रिडिक्टेबल। तो आप प्लीज़ एक्सप्लेन कीजिए कि डोजी कैंडल स्टिक के पीछे कौन सी साइकोलॉजी होती है और उसका सिग्निफिकेंस हम लोग कैसे और एक्सप्लेन कर सकते हैं एज इन द पर्सपेक्टिव ऑफ ह्यूमन साइकोलॉजी।
ह्यूमन साइकोलॉजी कंपेयर करेंगे तो इट इज जस्ट लाइक दैट, इट इज जस्ट लाइक a doji is forming when neither the buyers are ready to put in the orders nor the sellers are ready to put in the orders. They don't know in which direction they have to go. So that is where this doji forms. So doji is actually a very strong candle. Although the candle is very small, it is a very strong candle which gives you a clear indication that there can be a reversal possible. So that is what actually it means. So that is the psychology behind this doji formation, wherein like for normally it happens at the end of the an uptrend or the end of the downtrend. So that is where it forms, and that is the psychology. So like for example, abhi price ऊपर ही जा रहा है, so big green candles will form, but after a certain point that big candle converts into a very small candle, wherein it actually means that there is no, the buying strength is getting weaker, and once that forms, it is obviously, once the buyer gets weaker, obviously the sellers have to get stronger. तो उसके बाद trend reverses and it comes in the opposite direction. The same goes when it is forming in a downtrend also. Downtrend में बड़ा red candle बनाएगा, and then it forms a very small doji, and then that is the place where there is a high probability that it will reverse and the buyers will take control. So this is the psychological aspect behind this.
अब डोजी कैंडल में भी कुछ टाइप्स होंगे और उनका भी कुछ सिग्निफिकेंस होगा, तो क्या आप हमें थोड़ा डीपली एक्सप्लेन कर सकते हैं? हमें थोड़ा दिखा भी दीजिए कैंडल चार्ट पे कि उनके टाइप्स क्या होते हैं और उनको हम लोग कैसे रीड कर सकते हैं?
ओके, तो सो दिस इज द चार्ट. तो अभी आपको मैं डिफरेंट काइंड्स ऑफ डोजीज दिखाऊंगा. लाइक फॉर एग्जांपल स्टैंडर्ड डोजी. स्टैंडर्ड डोजी क्या होता है? It appears like a cross. Like for example, I'll show it to you here. Exact doji आपको पता. See this candle you see?
Yes.
This is the one of the dojis. तो doji में क्या होता है? जो upper wick and the lower wick equal होता है. कभी-कभी थोड़ा सा फर्क रहता है, but this is a standard doji. So इसमें क्या होता है? It actually signifies that there is an indecision in the market, and normally we wait for a confirmation that yes, like for example अभी देखिए ये uptrend में था, but it went this one and it formed a green, but then it continued again in the uptrend only. That is because there was this 20-day moving average. So that is the reason. So that is one. And the second type is called as a dragonfly doji. So dragonfly doji वो होता है जिसमें there is a long lower wick. Like for example, if I can show you a proper dragonfly doji. Yeah, so this one. Okay, this particular candle is a dragonfly doji. This suggests that the seller pushed the price from the bottom. Okay, so and and the whole fighting was going on, and it is normally found in a downtrend, and it also shows a clear reversal in the trend. That is the one. The third होता है gravestone doji. Gravestone doji is opposite of dragonfly, wherein the upper wick, like for example ये देखिए आज सुबह का जो है, this one is a classic example of the gravestone doji. तो अभी कल से देखा तो it was in an uptrend, but आज सुबह although it opened a gap up, you see the kind of pushed it, and after that it is completely in a downtrend. Now this is a clear reversal signal. Okay, so this is the example of gravestone doji, and it suggests that the seller pushed the price down from here, and it kind of changed the entire direction. So this is the third kind. The fourth kind hota hai, it's called as a long-legged doji. This doji has big wicks on both sides. Like for example, one of the example can be either this particular doji or आपको दूसरा, yeah, this one. You see this first candle? This is an example for a 4 price doji, wherein there is big wicks on both sides, which indicates that there is extreme volatility, and that normally in this kind of a thing the liquidity is very, very low. That is what also it signifies, and most of the traders ignore this because it lacks any directional value. But just see it, gap down open hua and it formed this kind of a doji, and see it did not continue the fall in the down thing. It continued, it changed the direction, it kind of reversed and it formed an uptrend. So this is a very clear indication of example of this particular 4 price doji. So these are the different types of dojis what we have.
Yes. And how important is the volume analysis when evaluating the significance of doji? आप वॉल्यूम एनालिसिस और डोजी में क्या रिलेशन है और उसका एग्जांपल दिखा सकते हैं?
Yeah, see volume See, personally, I don't believe in volume analysis, because volume analysis में क्या होता है, it gives you the total figure, but उसमें buyers कितने हैं या sellers कितने हैं वो clearly समझ में नहीं आता है. So personally, I don't use volume confirmation. But yes, there are a lot of people who take that as a reference, and like for example, very simple example, मैं आपको अगर दिखाना चाहता हूँ तो let us see that. Okay, I'll like to show you that. So can you see the screen?
Yes.
So let us go. First we have to add the. तो अभी इसमें देखिए, अभी ये मैंने इधर अपना एक वॉल्यूम चार्ट लगाया है. Now, if you see this first candle, it again formed that four-legged doji. Okay, उसमें देखिए ये वॉल्यूम कितना बड़ा था in terms of the numbers. Okay, now this actually, since it's a green, इसमें का मतलब ये है that the buyers were more. That is why it opened high, but ultimately sellers took control and pushed the price down. That is what it tells. And after that you see continuous selling hua and it came downwards. So these are the some kinds of things what we can do with volume analysis. Now just to showcase you the trend reversal कैसे होता है and all that, आपको मैं दिखाऊंगा इधर. I'll like to show you where it shows you the trend reversal. Yeah, so इधर आप देखिए ये गैप अप हुआ but it came down and you see this is the doji formed. Yes. उसके पहले it formed a hammer. So basically what happened was it was trying to go down, but buyers took control here and pushed the price upwards and it formed a hammer, and उसके next candle was a clear doji. Now this is a clear signal that the trend is going to reverse, but very few people will understand this because they have already seen such a big drop. They will be saying अरे ये इतना छोटा बना है, again it will go down. So they'll start taking short positions, but उसमें देखिए it kind of created an uptrend. So this is the way this thing, this doji works. So this is a trend reversal, and you see here it kind of went up and it formed one more doji here, and it did a small pullback. It didn't change the direction, but it formed a small pullback. So if you see, these dojis are normally very strong signals of trend reversal. तो ऐसा आपको चार्ट में बहुत बार बहुत जगह पे दिख जाएगा ये. So that is why I consider this doji as a very very strong candle. Okay, I want to show you one more area where you can show, you see this again, this four-legged doji. इतना गिरा but it formed this four-legged, इसके बाद गिरा ही नहीं है, ये देखा सही. So these are the examples, and आपको ये बहुत मिल जाएगा, ऐसा ढूंढने का जरूरत ही नहीं है. डोजी तो बहुत कॉमन कैंडल है which keeps forming. All it takes is for you to go and identify it and you will understand. Like for example, you see this here. So it was in an uptrend. It formed a doji. It took the resistance at the pivot point and after that it fell down. तो ये कैंडल के बाद ये confirmation, ये red candle अगर होता, confirmation is to go short. We should have gone short here, keeping a stop loss at the top of this. You would have captured this easily. So this is the way we should use this particular things.
Yes, perfect. अब ये डोजी कैंडल अगर इतनी फेमस है और इतनी कॉमनली फॉर्म हो रही है तो उसको इंटरप्रेट करते वक्त काफी सारे ट्रेडर्स मिस्टेक भी करते होंगे. तो व्हाट आर द कॉमन मिस्टेक दैट नॉर्मल ट्रेडर्स डू व्हाइल इंटरप्रेटिंग द डोजी एंड हाउ वी कैन अवॉइड देम?
See, common mistakes what I can tell is हर एक डोजी के पे ऊपर ट्रेड करा. Okay, so not all dojis is a signal to trade. So context is the key. So you should have an understanding about the broader perspective also. You should look at the trend, you should look at the volume, and you should also look at the confirmation. Yes, that like for example, it is in a downtrend, it formed a doji. The next candle after the doji should overshadow that doji by a solid green candle. So that should be your confirmation to enter, and so that you can keep your stop loss small. So this is one mistake. Second mistake is ignoring the market condition. मैंने तभी ऐसा आपको दिखाया था कि ये अप जा रहा है, डोजी फॉर्म किया, then it did a small pullback. It is not a trend reversal, but it continued. So you should also look at the market structure and the market condition. Okay, so in very strong trends, doji just is like a pause for the trend rather than a reversal signal. So you should also be aware of that. And third mistake is you set up a very tight stop losses when because on the doji candle, because doji का क्या होता है, very short छोटा candle होता है ना, so people feel that ये छोटा बहुत छोटा stop loss है, we will enter it करके. So and since doji indicates indecisiveness, price may fluctuate. Okay, so before confirmation, if you take it, there is every chance that it will hit your stop loss. So basically ये है कि don't just blindly jump into a doji without understanding the broader concept. So this is very important in technical analysis. You cannot look at a single candle in isolation. You should always look at multiple candles together, overall market structure, followed by some kind of a confirmation. Like हमारे system में how we use our 20-day moving average or the 200-day moving average, that is something which we should combine it and then take high probability trades. So this is the three most common mistakes I can think of right now.
Yes. एंड क्या हम लोग अपने टेक्निकल इंडिकेटर्स जो है और डोजी के सिग्नल्स, उन दोनों को पेयर करके डिसीजन ले सकते हैं ट्रेडिंग के लिए? अगर ले सकते हैं तो कैसे?
Obviously, it's very clear. Let me again go back to the chart and show you. So can you see the chart?
Yes.
Okay.
इसी में एक और क्वेश्चन ऐड करना चाहूँगा. इसमें भी हम लोग डोजी का सिग्नल, टेक्निकल इंडिकेटर, ये दोनों देखते हुए हमारे स्टॉप लॉस भी कैसे सेट कर सकते हैं, वो भी हमें जरा बताइए.
Yes. Like for example, let us look at this. Okay. Now, in this case, on this particular day, on 21st of February, okay, just imagine what happens. You have this 200-day moving average here. You have our 20-day moving average here. It took the support at the 200 and it started going up, forming these big red candles. But when it came to this pivot point, which was at 1240, it formed a very strong doji here. Correct, na? So
Yes.
before this, 2 candles before this particular candle, the price got pushed from the pivot point towards the down. You can see this wick here. So it is a clear indication that it is going to take a resistance. So once this doji formed, this is confirmed that it is taking the resistance at this pivot point. And our entry should have been like this, wherein this red candle, when it breaks this green candle, since we know that there is a resistance here, we should have gone short, although we are in the opposite direction. But since we know it's a very strong resistance, our entry should have been at this level, keeping the stop loss above this pivot point, and just entered the trade short. You see the kind of return you could have made at a very simple stop loss. You would have got, I think, इसमें कितना रहेगा? Let us assume it is 1238, 2 points stop loss. 2 points stop loss से आपको 22 मतलब 38 is 28 and 16 points. 1:8 risk reward ratio मिल गया इसमें. So this is the way you decide. Like for example, there are multiple ways of of looking at it also. Like for example, इधर भी देखिए, it might not be the exact doji, but you see it came down and it started falling down. But here it took the support at this pivot point, and this particular candle, when green candle overshadowed this red candle, we should have gone long. Entry here, keeping the stop loss here. You see the kind of return it gave you. ये इसमें 1:4 का रिटर्न तो मिल ही जाएगा, 1:4 रिस्क रिवॉर्ड तो मिल ही जाएगा इसमें. सो ऐसा आपको बहुत सारे combinations you have to use based on the structure and based on the whole our methodology, what we personally use in in Ask Traders Hub. And you can find out, like for example, you see here it formed a doji but it got sideways. So there are some cases where you will not get the desired risk result, but इसमें लॉजिक है एंट्री का. दिस इज नॉट सम रैंडम एंट्रीज विच यू जस्ट एंटर विदाउट हैविंग एनी थॉट. तो रैंडम एंट्रीज करने से बचाएगा इफ वी फॉलो अ सिस्टम. सो दिस इज हाउ वी डू आवर एंट्रीज एंड keep our decide our stop loss and also decide our targets.
Yes. किरण जी, जैसे शुरुआत में मैंने बताया था कि मैंने सुना है काफ़ी सारे जो प्रोफेशनल ट्रेडर है वो डोजी कैंडल स्टिक का बहुत ज़्यादा यूज़ करते हैं एंड इट इज़ फेवरेट अमंग देम। तो आपके पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू में डोजी कैंडल स्टिक कितनी रिलायबल है, नंबर 1। एंड नंबर 2 इज़ ये डोजी कैंडल स्टिक है उसका यूज़ करके क्या हम लोग अपनी एक ट्रेडिंग सिस्टम बिल्ड कर सकते हैं, टोटली डिपेंडिंग ऑन दिस डोजी कैंडल स्टिक। और आपकी बहुत सारी कैंडल स्टिक फेवरेट होगी, उसमें से सबसे बेस्ट रिलायबल कैंडल स्टिक कौन सी है आपके पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू में?
See, doji candlestick is a very powerful, but it is a very subtle, very soft और very क्या बोलते हैं, ये whisper करता है, ये shout नहीं करता है, it whispers, okay? और whispers को सुनने के लिए आपका कान बहुत अच्छा होना चाहिए और आपका नज़र भी इतना अच्छा होना चाहिए. So this is the thing, and it is a very strong tool in the arsenal of any trader. If you pay attention. Okay, if you pay attention, it helps you identify reversals, it helps you identify market hesitation, and it helps you make better decision. Okay, but इसके साथ I would also like to add that there is one golden rule what I personally follow. No single candlestick tells you the full story. Okay, it is always a combination. Use dojis with the combination of trend analysis. Use a combination of your other indicator, whatever you are using, or you can also use the volume as a confirmation for entering this. So these are the things what I can tell you. And ऐसा मेरा कोई I don't generally give labels to different candles. ये मेरा favorite है, ये मेरा favorite है, ऐसा कुछ है नहीं, because I don't look at all these. I don't look at with emotions candles. It is all very practical, logical thinking. So मेरा हर एक कैंडल ऐसा बोल सकता हूँ मेरा फेवरेट है. Whichever candle gives me the result is my favorite.
So audience, what are you waiting for? अगर आप भी स्टॉक मार्केट ट्रेडिंग मास्टर करना चाहते हैं और हमारे फाइनेंशियल फ्रीडम मेंटर से सीखना चाहते हैं तो जल्दी से नीचे डिस्क्रिप्शन में लिंक दी गई है, उसके ऊपर क्लिक करके किरण जी का जो आने वाला पॉडकास्ट है या फिर आने वाला जो वेबिनार है उसके लिए आप साइन अप कर सकते हैं और आप सीख सकते हैं बहुत सारे सीक्रेट्स जो स्टॉक मार्केट के हैं या फिर फाइनेंशियल फ्रीडम के हैं. और किरण जी, एनी लास्ट मैसेज टू आवर ऑडियंस?
My message is learn the skills in a right way, understand it, and never look at anything in isolation. You should always look at it as collective information. Never look at in isolation. You should take your decisions based on some logic. Okay, so especially when it comes to financial world, it doesn't run on emotions. It runs on logic. And if your logic is right, and if your logic is the right approach, obviously there is no way that you can't get results. Okay, so this is what I would like to say. And technical analysis, and more than technical analysis, price action is supreme in the market. price के ऊपर कुछ भी या कोई भी नहीं है. तो please understand this and learn these basic things of price action and a little bit of technical analysis. This will make your decision making abilities better and it will give you consistent results. So this is what I can tell you. And as they just mentioned, you are always welcome to come and see what we do at Ask Traders Hub. Come to our webinar and give us an opportunity to showcase to you what exactly we are talking about and what are the methodologies we adopt. And we have made it very, very simple. Okay, let me also tell you that I don't want someone to come with the idea that, okay, this is too complex and all that. It's not complex. You need to understand the basic things and you should come with an open mind. And if that is there, then it is just like any other skill. If you come with an open mind, you can learn any skill. So that is what it is I would like to share. And I would look forward to have you as part of our community at Ask Traders Hub. Thank you.
डेफिनेटली फ्रेंड्स, तो आप जल्दी से इस चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कीजिए. अपने कमेंट्स या फिर सुझाव जो भी है वो आप नीचे कमेंट सेक्शन में आप दे सकते हैं. इस वीडियो को लाइक कीजिए, ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा शेयर कीजिए. मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट एपिसोड में. धन्यवाद.